So I think it's a way of living, to be honest. Like Plant and Hope, it's really cool. We're here at a Plant and Hope event. It's our 12th edition, our 4th year doing it. Well, Plant and Hope is an event for PGRs, and we give away plants. That's how the dynamics used to be. But now we're upgrading it, and we're having some workshops. We're having like a tour around the botanical gardens. So it's the first time that some of them are meeting in person. It's the first event after COVID. So we wanted to make something really special. It's not that easy to just go around and meet people, to just go to a welcome week party or something. And it's a friendlier way to just come, and in the time that you're picking up a plant, someone will come and say, oh, your plant is really cool. And then conversations start happening. And we've had some people that are actually from different faculties that are now really good friends, that are collaborating in research. So it's like more like a natural way of meeting people, and at the same time we encourage them to take care of themselves. So it's always kind of like, well, you're taking care of a plant, always remember that you also need to take care of yourself while you're doing your research. Well, I would love it to be bigger and bigger each time. I think just from the phases when they come back and that they're interacting, it's really nice. So it's like the whole idea of plants are good for your life, for your mental health, for the world.